Hi everyone! In this demo you'll learn how to create Jira story subtasks with GenAI automation in OCI. With the help from OCI Visual Builder, OCI GenAI and OCI Data Science, the automation can significantly speed up the process of creating subtasks and reduce the time and effort required from Scrum Masters and project owners. First, you enter your user story in the prompt field, then press the Generate Subtasks button right below. OCI GenAI analyzes incoming stories and automatically generates subtasks. We have OCI Visual Builder creating the UI and OCI Data Science with ML Notebook to develop the Python API library to orchestrate the Jira ticket creation. Multiple subtasks will be created with descriptions and a specific link for each of these tasks. Clicking on the subtask link will redirect you to the corresponding Jira page. There you'll find a description, an activity section featuring potential comments, and on the far right panel, information about the task's assignee, reporter, and additional details. Thank you for watching.